Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how you can change a battery on your Yamaha TTR 110. So you can get a battery on eBay for $25. Alright guys, so you're going to need a 10mm socket on a ratchet. And firstly, we're going to need to unscrew these little bolts in here. Alright guys, so once we've undone these two little bolts back here, you can take off the seat. So you need to get it, pull it up and then back, and then pull it off just like that. Put that aside. And then around here you can see that there's another little bolt that we need to undo. So we're just going to take our 10mm little thing out and just undo it. Alright, so once we've undone this, you need to undo this little clip back here and just take it off and put that aside. Alright guys, so now that we've taken the cover off, all you need to do is just grab this little strap, pull it up and over so it's off and it's down there. You can just leave it down there. Just take the battery out of its place. Now you need to press down really hard onto this and just clip it out. Now this is pretty hard, so if you can't do it, you might need to get your parents to help you. And that's your battery out. Alright, so guys, once we've taken the battery out of its little box, you want to grab a rag and just clean it, because you don't get to clean this little part when you're cleaning your bike after you've gone for a bike ride, so you just want to clean that. Take your brand new battery that you have here, get the little clip connector and get the battery, clip back on, and it's easy as pie. Just want to put it back into the little box, get the strap, flip it up, over just like that, and I'll teach you guys how to put everything back together. Alright guys, so we need to make sure that the battery is in and working properly, so we're just going to quickly test if it works. So we need to turn on the two ignition switches, so both on. Make sure your fuel is on and make sure choke is on. It's just going to start. And that's how you know if your bike is working. Alright guys, so we need to align these three little lugs. So we've got this one that needs to align with this one right here, and we've got these two little brackets right here which need to align with these, so we can put the bolts back on. So what you want to do, you want to put that on like that, so you can just see that little square sort of thing. Just push forward like that and it's all back on. Alright, so once we've done that, we need to get our side plate just here, and you need to make sure that this little edge here needs to go up and under the seat, like that. And once you've done that, you want to make sure just up at the back, you put this little straight part back into the hole, and you're good to go to put the bolts back in. Alright guys, so now we're going to put the bolts back in, so we're going to grab our little put the bolt in it like that, just put it into the little hole, just give it a little turn, and do the same to the other side. Alright, so once you've done that, you also want to do this little one just around here that we did earlier. So same as last time, just put it in, put it in like that and just turn it right. Alright guys, so once we've put them all in, we're just going to make sure that they're definitely tight. So we're going to put our little socket back onto the ratchet. Just going to put it in like that and just make sure they're tight. Like that, yep, that's tight. Put it on this one. Yep, that's tight. I'm going to come back round to this one. Just like that, put it back on. Yep, that's tight. Alright guys, so now we've fixed everything and it's all back to normal. We're just going to do one more battery test so we can turn everything on. Just like that. And it's all good. And guys, if you're not going riding, straight after fixing the battery, you want to make sure that the fuel is off. Otherwise it's actually really bad for the motorbike. And guys, once you finish this tutorial, make sure to put away your dad's tools. Otherwise that can be a not very good situation. Alright guys, in the coming weeks, I'm also going to teach you how to do an oil change and clean the air filter of your bike. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and also like the video. And peace out.